Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Nothing's quite as romantic as an iconic Roadster, and nothing's as desirable as the athletic performance of this SL. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, dual zone climate control, twin turbo V6 engine, power retractable hardtop, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend reports the SL65's secret weapon is the 6-liter direct injection twin turbo V12, which produces 621 horsepower and a stump-pulling 738 pound-feet of torque. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,